Start. You may balance them and say that one argument is stronger than the other. But generally, if the case of one side appears better, the case of the other side seems pretty good too. Maps and census figures have become the fashion now. Are we too vague in a balance how many individuals speak one language and how many speak another? It will lead to all kinds of fantastic situations. I submit that we must consider this matter separately from the question of language. Of course, all the great languages of India, which are mentioned in the Constitution, have to be developed. I would go a step further and say that even those in the northeast frontier areas and elsewhere ought to be developed. Further, the development of one language should not be and cannot be at the expense of the other. I am convinced that the development of any one of the great languages of India helps the development of the other languages. It is my privilege, however unworthy I might be, of being the president of the Sahitya Academy, started a year or two ago, where we deal with all the languages of India and try to encourage them. The more we discuss these matters, the more we see that encouragement, development, and growth of one language result in advantage to the other Indian languages also. Going one more step, I would say that the knowledge of a foreign language helps the growth of an Indian language. If we are cut off from foreign languages, we are cut off from the ideas that are contained in those foreign languages and from technology, which is part of modern life. Therefore, let us not think of excluding a language. Quite frankly, I do not understand the way some people are afraid of the Urdu language. I am proud to speak Urdu and I hope to continue to speak Urdu. I just do not understand why, in any state in India, people should consider Urdu a foreign language or something which invades their own domain. Urdu is a language mentioned in our constitution. I object to any narrow mindedness in regard to Urdu. It is no use dragging philology into these language controversies. Take the Punjabi language. We have heard learned arguments about the origin of Punjabi and the Gurumukhi script and how far it is connected with Hindi and so on, as if the source was of paramount significance. Of what matters is what people do today. Let us scholars go into the past of Gurumukhi and Hindi. If people in the Punjab or elsewhere wish to use it, let them use. Stop.